Hey, I am having trouble adding transmission fluid to my Ford F150. Can you help me out?
Sure thing. You should read the latest blog post from Auto Insider X. It breaks down the DIY steps. Let me give you a brief idea. You must run the car for a few minutes and park first.
Interesting. What's next?
Next, you need to locate the dipstick tube, check the fluid level and temperature. Auto Insider X has a detailed guide on whether to add transmission fluid where the dipstick is or not.
Sounds comprehensive. What tools do you need?
You'll need safety gear, fluid injector, long tube, 19mm socket, clean cloth, funnel, and, of course, transmission fluid.
Got it. How do you add the fluid?
There are two ways, using a transporter fluid injector or a funnel. Auto Insider X explains both methods.
Cool. And the cost?
It's around $88 to $92, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes.
Nice. Looks like I need to check the detailed steps in Auto Insider X's new blog.
You'll find the links in the description or bio.
Thanks, Oren.